Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ほうれん草と卵のサラダ. It's spinach and boiled egg salad. My daughter is not a big fan of spinach, but this salad is her favorite. It's very easy to make, and the dressing tastes so good, so I hope you like it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of spinach. I'm using this kind of spinach today, but you can use baby spinach instead. 6 eggs, some salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon each of ponzu sauce and sesame seeds, and half teaspoon of garlic paste. Let's make boiled eggs first. I just need 6, but I'm doing 10 because I'm having it anyway. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs, pointy side, round side, on this side. Put some water, about halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low but keep it simmering and cook for 8 minutes. Simmer for 8 minutes. Let's put them in ice water to stop cooking. The cracks makes it easier to remove the shell. Let's cut the spinach as you prepare some boiling water to cook it. Cut the bottom off and cut it into 2 inches or so. If you're using baby spinach, you don't need to worry about it, but don't mix the stemmy part with the leafy part. Keep them apart. Boiling water is ready, so let's cook the spinach. For this kind of spinach, 10 to 20 seconds. For baby spinach, just 10 seconds. So you're not really cooking it, you're just wilting it. I'm putting the stemmy part first and then leafy part on top. But if it's baby spinach, you can put it all at once. Stemmy part. And the leafy part. "20 seconds, so let's drain. Release it in cold water to stop cooking. water one more time. And drain. Spinach is sometimes harsh because of the acid it contains, so you're releasing it in cold water to stop cooking. But at the same time, you can wash the acid away so that it's not harsh anymore. Spinach and eggs are ready, so let's make the dressing. Mayonnaise, garlic paste, ponzu sauce, sesame seeds, and some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. Let's put the spinach into the bowl of dressing. As you squeeze it really well, salad spinner won't be enough, so you need to squeeze it using your hands. Take some and squeeze. Like this. Then into the bowl. Let's give it a mix. Spinach and the dressing are well mixed. So let's add the eggs. Let's cut it into 4. Give it a quick mix. Serve in the bowl. And ほうれん草と卵のサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The dressing with a hint of garlic is really good. No wonder why my daughter likes this salad so much. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ほうれん草と卵のサラダ goes here and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the main, but how about toriten chicken tempura? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!